What's up, shooters? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something fascinating, the modern Russian military rifles that are defining their current small arms doctrine. We're looking at the evolution of the Kalashnikov platform and specialized weapon systems that represent Russian engineering in 2026. From assault rifles to specialized close-quarters platforms, these are the firearms that Russian forces are fielding right now. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Number 5, AK-74 in May. Let's start with the rifle that modernized the Kalashnikov platform for the 5.45 39mm cartridge. The AK-74M is the refined evolution of Russian small arms design that served for decades. This is the AK-74 brought into the modern era. That side-folding polymer stock makes the rifle compact for vehicle transport while remaining comfortable when deployed. The polymer furniture is lightweight and durable in extreme conditions. The 5.45 39mm cartridge delivers flat-shooting performance with manageable recoil. The AK-74M features improved ergonomics over earlier models. The safety selector is still the classic Kalashnikov design, positive and reliable. The rifle accepts standard AK-74 magazines and accessories. The chrome-lined barrel and gas system handle the worst conditions without losing reliability. What makes the AK-74M significant is how it represents the bridge between classic Kalashnikov design and modern requirements. Rail systems can be added for optics. The rifle maintains the legendary AK reliability while offering better accuracy and ergonomics than earlier generations. This is the rifle that saw extensive service and proved the 5.45mm concept in the field. It's simple, reliable, and effective, everything you expect from Russian military small arms. The good. Proven AK reliability in 5.45 39mm chambering. Folding stock provides compact storage. Durable polymer furniture handles extreme conditions. The not-so-good. Limited accessory mounting without aftermarket rails. Traditional AK ergonomics lag behind Western designs. 5.45 39mm ammunition less common internationally. Number 4, ASH-12. Here's something completely different. The ASH-12 is a specialized close-quarters battle rifle chambered in the massive 12.7 55mm subsonic cartridge. This is Russian Special Operations hardware. This rifle was designed for one specific mission, delivering devastating stopping power at close range with suppressed fire. That 12.7mm bullet weighing over 700 grains creates massive wound channels and penetrates barriers that would stop conventional rifle rounds. We're talking about barrier-blind performance. The ASH-12 features a bullpup design to maintain a reasonable overall length despite the large cartridge. The integrated suppressor keeps noise signature low for tactical applications. The rifle feeds from detachable box magazines and operates from a rotating bolt design. This is purpose-built hardware for breaching and close-quarters operations. The heavy subsonic bullet punches through doors, walls, and body armor at room-clearing distances. The suppressor makes it viable for operations where noise discipline matters. The ASH-12 represents specialized Russian thinking about urban combat and special operations. It's not a general-purpose rifle. It's a tool designed for specific tactical scenarios where conventional 5.45mm or 7.62mm rounds aren't optimal. The good. Massive 12.70 subsonic rounds deliver devastating close-range power. Integrated suppressor for reduced signature. Excellent barrier penetration for urban operations. The not-so-good. Extremely specialized limited general utility. Heavyweight and bulk for the bullpup configuration. Ammunition is proprietary and limited availability. Number 3, SVCH Sniper Rifle. The SVCH represents Russian evolution in semi-automatic sniper rifle design. This is a compact designated marksman rifle that brings precision fire to smaller packages. This rifle is a bullpup conversion of the SVD Dragunov platform, bringing the same 7.62x heavy 4mm chambering into a more compact package. The bullpup configuration reduces overall length while maintaining full barrel length for ballistic performance. That means you get designated marksman range in a rifle that's easier to maneuver in vehicles and confined spaces. The SVCH features modern accessory rails for mounting optics, night vision, and tactical equipment. The rifle maintains the gas-operated short-stroke system that made the Dragunov reliable. Chrome-lined barrel and gas system ensure consistent performance in harsh conditions. Russian doctrine emphasizes having precision fire capability at the squad level, and the SVCH delivers that in a package that's practical for mechanized and airborne forces. The 7.62 54mm cartridge provides effective range beyond standard infantry rifles while remaining manageable in semi-automatic fire. This is precision fire in a compact modern package that represents Russian thinking about designated marksman capabilities in contemporary operations. The good bullpup design provides full barrel performance in compact package. Proven 7.62 54mm cartridge with extended effective range. Modern rail systems for current optics and accessories. The not-so-good bullpup ergonomics require training and adaptation. Heavier than some modern Western DMR platforms. 7.62 54mm ammunition less available internationally. Number 2, AK-15. The AK-15 brings the classic 7.62 39mm cartridge into the modern Kalashnikov platform. This is traditional Soviet stopping power with the 21st century features and ergonomics. This rifle is part of the AK-12 family, sharing the modern improvements while chambered for the time-tested 7.62 39mm round. That cartridge delivers serious energy at typical engagement ranges with better barrier penetration than 5.45 mm. The heavier bullet creates larger wound channels and performs better in brushy terrain. The AK-15 features improved ergonomics with ambidextrous controls. The fire selector is redesigned for easier manipulation. Modern Picatinny rails are integrated for optics and accessories. The adjustable stock provides proper length of pull for different gear configurations. The rifle maintains legendary AK reliability while offering features that modern soldiers expect. The burst fire capability provides controlled automatic fire. The improved trigger is cleaner than classic Kalashnikov designs. Everything is optimized for contemporary military operations. This is the rifle for Russian forces who prefer the proven 7.62x 39mm cartridge, but want modern features and ergonomics. It represents the evolution of the AKM concept into current military standards. The good, proven 7.62x 39mm stopping power and barrier penetration. Modern ergonomics with ambidextrous controls. Integrated rail systems for contemporary optics. The not-so-good. Heavier recoil than 5.45mm variants affects controllability. Magazine capacity lower than 5.45mm for same weight. Some reliability concerns during initial fielding. Number 1, AK-12. Here it is, the rifle that represents the current generation of Russian military small arms. The AK-12 has earned the top spot as the standard issue rifle for Russian forces in 2025. This is the Kalashnikov platform completely modernized for 21st century warfare. The AK-12 features improved ergonomics throughout with ambidextrous controls that work for all shooters. The fire selector offers safe, semi-automatic 3-round burst and full automatic giving maximum flexibility for different tactical situations. The 5.45's 39mm chambering provides flat trajectories and manageable recoil for accurate rapid fire. The improved barrel and gas system deliver better accuracy than previous generation AK rifles. Integrated Picatinny rails on the dust cover and handguard allow mounting of modern optics, lights, and accessories without aftermarket modifications. The adjustable stock accommodates different body sizes and gear configurations. The muzzle device is effective at controlling flash and can accept suppressors. The improved magazines are more reliable and feed consistently. Here's what makes the AK-12 special. It takes everything that made the Kalashnikov platform legendary: reliability, simplicity, durability, and adds the features that modern soldiers need. This is Russian military doctrine in rifle form, rugged, practical, and designed for the reality of contemporary operations. The AK-12 represents Russian commitment to evolving their standard infantry weapon while maintaining the proven elements that have worked for decades. This is the rifle equipping Russian forces today and represents their vision for small arms into the future. The good, modern ergonomics with ambidextrous controls, improved accuracy over previous AK generations. Integrated rail systems for contemporary accessories. The not-so-good. More complex than classic AK designs affects field serviceability. Initial production had quality control issues. Heavier than earlier AK variants when fully equipped.